What started out as an idea about developing an early diagnostic for an incurable and chronic neurodegenerative disease led us down to a path where we were forced to confront our biases and assumptions. Hi, my name is Praswal Podel, and I'm the EL for VeniPD Diagnostics, Team 1471. At the University of Delaware, we conduct a basic biochemical science research into cellular signaling pathways.
I'm Derek Lehan, and I'm the business mentor to the VeniPD project. This turned out to be an ideal project for me to work on since my background is in medical diagnostics.
As academic researchers, we often obtain information from journal publications, and this is how we got the idea of developing early-stage diagnosis for Parkinson's disease.
Initially, we believed providing a revolutionary biochemical assay for a disease where overwhelmingly clinical observations relied upon for diagnosis, often after 50 to 80% of neuronal damages occurred, seemed an obviously valuable product in the market. However, through the I-Course program, we began assembling a much more complex picture based on real data points.
In some of our best interviews that drove us to pivot away from diagnosis to support of clinical trials of new pharmaceuticals came out of our interviews at the University of Florida.
Initially, we struggled to meet with movement disorder specialists who are extremely busy people, and also we had a lot of problem trying to get in contact with pharmaceutical companies. Through severe cold afflicting the entire team, eye infections, and polar vortexes, we persevered. Along the way, movement disorder specialists, VP of product development, and clinical directors all told us the need for designing better and shorter clinical trials. Memorably, we had 2 conversations with research neurologists who opened our eyes to the large number of clinical trials and the clear need for a biomarker. The biomarker would be particularly useful in inclusion-exclusion criteria for patient requirements. We realized we had to pivot and market our product as a research product, as a startup. We have learned a lot through this program, but our journey has just begun.